Ever wondered why your garden plants are not growing well? You might have some unwelcome visitors. These visitors, called garden pests, can range from tiny insects to slippery slugs and snails, even to stealthy rodents. They're not just an annoyance. They're a real threat to your plant's health and survival. They nibble on leaves, gnaw on stems, and feast on roots, wreaking havoc on your once thriving garden. These tiny invaders can cause a lot of damage, so let's dive into specifics. Insects are the most common pests you'll encounter in a garden. These tiny terrors come in a variety of forms. Aphids, for instance, have a sweet tooth for plant juices, leaving your plants weak and wilted. Caterpillars, on the other hand, munch on leaves like there's no tomorrow. And beetles? They're not just beetles fans, they're also fans of your garden, causing damage and sometimes even spreading diseases. But remember, insects aren't the only pests you need to watch out for. Slugs and snails can be just as destructive to your garden. They are the silent saboteurs of the plant kingdom, munching away at leaves, stems, and roots. These slimy suspects are primarily nocturnal, preferring the cover of darkness and the moist, shady corners of your garden to conduct their covert operations. And when it rains, that's their prime time. But don't be fooled by their slow pace. The damage they can inflict on your beloved plants is swift and severe. And don't forget about the bigger offenders. Rodents such as mice and rats can also wreak havoc in your garden. These rodent raiders damage plants by gnawing on stems and roots, and they don't shy away from feasting on your fruits and vegetables. Knowing your enemy is the first step towards a healthy, pest-free garden. Understanding these pests can help you protect your garden. Regular monitoring and swift action are key. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, where we'll share effective methods to keep these invaders at bay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Together, we can keep your garden thriving.